in and out is what I've noticed.
Yes.
Okay, because when we first started 7 years ago on the remodeling side, we did a bathroom that was all subway from the floor to the shower.
Yeah.
We did a clawfoot tub. They wanted a subway tile around it, and then really it's been spotty. But now recently we're doing more subway, but it's not just the classic white as well, right?
Correct.
Okay.
It's a little bit more tonal and then it has some bright whites, a little ivory, and even a little bit richer of a color.
Okay.
You can also take what we consider a boring classic and elevate it, do a chevron backsplash.
Gotcha.
It gives you a little more visual interest. It's adding in pattern, which pattern is a trend that we're
Okay.
seeing come to the market more and more. You can go for fun shapes. Go with an arabesque. It does not have to be your simple elongated tile, even if it's laid in a different pattern. But if you really want to keep it classic, it is about keeping it on that monochromatic side where it fluctuates with trends. You can